Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing WorldMark Pinetop. It's a 3-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get good pricing. A tennis court and basketball court is featured at this family-friendly apartment-style hotel. Rooms have a full kitchen. The Hon-Dah Casino is less than a 5-minute drive away. A fireplace and cable TV are available in each sitting area at the WorldMark Pinetop. Laundry facilities are also included. Guests can take advantage of the Murphy bed, a bed that comes down from the wall, in the common area. An outdoor pool and hot tub are available for guest relaxation at the Pinetop WorldMark. A game room with pool tables and ping-pong is also included. Spa Estique is a 5-minute drive from the property. Sunrise Ski Park Resort is a 40-minute drive away. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.